I need to print that. It's done. It's done. We're done. So there it is, the butcher's meat mallet. Now I do have one problem. I have a gap here I'm going to have to fix. But other than that, it turned awesome. And what I did was I used gray and I used copper for all the rivets and a brown for the grips. And I think it turned out fabulous. It turned out really nice. Check it out. Found the butcher's meat mallet on STL Flicks. Check them out. Fortunately, you do have to have a subscription to get to the model. So, but go check them out. See what you think.